from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with one of our updated wheel hub bearings designed to fit the front wheels of any 2005 through 2006 Chevy Equinox, any 2002 through 2007 Saturn View, and any 2006 Pontiac Torrent. This wheel hub bearing features the same ABS connector as your vehicle for easy installation. The ABS connector prevents the wheels from locking, ensures the stability of the wheel's braking direction, and prevents side slips and deviations. With a hub pilot diameter at 3.59 inches, a hub bolt circle at 4.57 inches, a flange diameter at 5.91 inches, and a bolt circle diameter at 4.53 inches, in addition to the 5 pre-installed bolts each at M12 1.5, this wheel hub is designed to eliminate your wheel noise and vibrations. Composed of steel, this wheel hub is extremely durable and reliable. It is the perfect direct fit solution that replaces your aged or worn out wheel hub and extends the longevity of your vehicle.